This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Manual transmission oil renewal. Draining. Position the workshop jack under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member and remove the jack. Position the workshop jack under the rear axle, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member approximately 700 mm from the centre line of the axle and remove the jack. Using a suitable hexagonal bit or key, remove the oil filler plug from the front face of the transmission casing. Place a suitable container under the transmission, then unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain. When the oil has drained, refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Renew the sealing washer if necessary. Remove the oil drain container from underneath the vehicle. Refilling. Using a large syringe, add the correct grade of the transmission oil. The level is correct when oil is approximately 20 mm below the lower edge of the filler plug aperture. The best way to check the level is to use a dipstick made up from a bent piece of wire. Put the wire in the hole and check the level. Refit the filler plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground.